Can you imagine a hunting trip without proper hunting gear? Just thinking about it feels pretty messy, right? Hunting trips can be very intimidating without appropriate hunting gear. Proper hunting gear and equipment will help you during the whole process of hunting down your prey, from observing to chopping your game. Therefore, choosing the best hunting gear is a must. Although there's plenty of hunting gear available in the market, finding the optimum gear for you can be tricky. That's why we've discussed the 10 best hunting gear on Amazon. So, without any further delays, let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Starting with the Garmin inReach Explorer Plus, an excellent GPS device with plenty of valuable features. This device will support your hunting expedition by delivering all the necessary navigation data and even leading you through the densest woods. First of all, it's sturdy enough to endure maximum impact without any issues. Featuring a global Iridium satellite network connection, it'll allow you to communicate via two-way messaging even when you're out of cell tower coverage. You just need to have a satellite subscription. And if anything goes wrong, don't worry about getting lost, as it features an interactive SOS with the 24/7 search and rescue monitoring center. Additionally, you can track and share your location data to be on the safe side. Its preloaded Delorme topo maps, digital compass, barometric altimeter, and accelerometer will help you through the roughest situations. Thus, having all these navigating, communicating, and safety features with a durable build, the Garmin inReach Explorer Plus becomes an ideal choice as a navigation gear for hunting. The importance of a binocular on a hunting trip can be denied at any cost, as they help you mark and keep track of your big game. And the Vortex Optics Viper HD meets all the requirements of being a perfect binocular for your hunting session. With a bunch of magnification options, this pair of binoculars come with an easy-to-grip, rubber armored chassis and an ergonomic look to provide you with one of the best viewing experiences during hunting. It's got premium lens elements, XR multi-coating, dielectric coating, and face correction to ensure an ultimate viewing experience with high resolution and color fidelity. Its eye cups are fully adjustable so that you get a comfortable viewing with or without your eyeglasses. The center focus wheel helps you adjust the focus, and the binocular is compatible with a tripod adapter. That said, those were the key features of the Vortex Optics Viper HD. If you need a pair of binoculars with premium features and materials, you can check it out. Next up on the list, we have the Magnus Black Hornet Sur Razor 4 blade, a broadhead that's capable of piercing your game with supreme precision. This fixed blade broadhead has a cut on the contact sharp edge and uses aluminum as its main build material while weighing around 2 ounces. It's got a 4-blade design with a blend of plain and serrated edges to ensure the best performance while you're hunting your big game. Thanks to its integrated screw mechanism, the broadhead will remain stable and safe with the arrow while you hunt your prey down. All in all, that was all about the Magnus Black Hornet Sur Razor 4 blade. This broadhead can be a real deal for your next hunting supply run with all these features and performances. When it comes to discreetly observing your prey, one of the most important things that will come to your mind is a tree stand. Being the benchmark for all the other hang-on tree stands, the Lone Wolf Alpha Hang-On 2 will meet all your expectations. This ultra-light hang-on tree stand weighs only 11.5 pounds while offering you a vast platform with a diameter of 30 inch by 19.5 inch. Both the seat and the platform of this tree stand are self-leveling, and it supports E to Z hang hook accessories. Therefore, you'll be able to preset multiple stand locations for more versatility. It can easily withstand 300 pounds of payload without any issues and fits trees from 4 inches to 22 inches. Furthermore, it includes a 6-point fall arrest system that ensures your safety from taking any false steps. Overall, those were all the mentionable features of the Lone Wolf Alpha Hang-On 2 tree stand, and it's clear to us that it can deliver one of the best performances with its lightweight and versatile construction. As you're going on a hunting trip, a reliable backpack becomes essential equipment to carry your essentials. The Badlands Vario 33 kit will handle all of your hunting gear and equipment along with the post-hunting massive payload of meat. The backpack offers Badlands' new KXO50 fabric. It's insanely rugged, quiet, and waterproof while weighing less than 9 pounds. This backpack offers you a 3,300 cubic inch bag to carry your hunting essentials all together in this bag. Not only that, you'll be having the option to add a meat shelf and a game bag with this as well. It has 2 different sizes of frames to fit your torso and waist so that your bag gets proper support while you carry your big game stuffed in it. The frame boasts magnesium alloy as its build material and a detachable boot to keep your rifle or crossbow. So that was all about the Badlands Vario 33 kit. You can easily keep this backpack on your list because of its versatility, compactness, and lightweight design. A trail camera is important when you want to observe and track the nature and movement of your prey. The Bushnell Core DS Snow Globe becomes a prime choice for most expert hunters with some features and components. The trail camera boasts dual image sensors to provide you with one of the best picture qualities during both day and night. The day sensor helps to capture sharp and vivid pictures, while the night sensor provides you with clear and high contrast photos. The night sensor can deliver you clear images up to an 80-meter distance, even in the darkest environment. It's got a 30-megapixel camera with no-glow infrared light, ensuring maximum stealth while you track your game. The camera can take full HD videos at 60 frames per second. With that said, with a rugged body structure and camo design, the Bushnell Core DS Snow Globe can withstand the most adverse weather while keeping itself in stealth. And if you're looking forward to getting a trail camera for your next hunting trip, this can be your option. No hunting trip is complete without some offensive gear. With that in mind, featuring a lethal combination of accuracy and power, allow us to introduce the Barnett HyperGhost 425, a comparatively lightweight and professional-grade crossbow for your next hunting trip. With 152 foot-pounds of kinetic energy, the crossbow can shoot up to an astonishing 425 feet per second, making this the perfect crossbow for small games. Being considerably lightweight compared to its peers, this crossbow weighs around 3 pounds, thanks to its step-through riser with a single-bolt assembly and the anti-dry fire trigger. Having a contoured recessed handle and a protective high-density foam interior, this ready-to-hunt package comes with 3 22-inch Hyperflight arrows, illuminated scope, a rope cocking sled, and lube wax. All in all, when you're looking for a lightweight crossbow to hunt your small games, then look no further than the Barnett HyperGhost 425. Next, we have the First Lite Sawtooth Hybrid Jacket, designed to provide you with freedom of movement while blending you with the wild and allowing you to hunt your game with ease. This hunting jacket uses Merino X wool as its primary material to keep you sneaky and silent while observing your prey. Its athletic cut and body-mapped insulation will provide you with versatility while being as light as only 20 ounces. The hunting jacket also got a full zipper opening along with a zipper chest stash bucket and an ergonomic hood. It boasts an exclusive 37.5 active particle technology which helps it to exhaust moisture and keep your core body temperature maintained. Not only that, but the technology also traps the human odor inside to keep you more sneaky. In conclusion, the first Lite Sawtooth hybrid jacket will deliver you the stealthiest performance, ease of movement, and versatility, which makes it a must-have as a hunting jacket. Next on our list, combining both comfort and stealthiness, we have a pair of professional hunting boots called the LaCrosse Atlas. Talking about its build, the Atlas is a molded rubber toe cap along with DuraFit molded rubber heel cup to ensure added protection and boost your hunting experience. The boot also features LaCrosse's dry core waterproof lining, which ensures your feet remain dry even in the most adverse condition. Furthermore, it also has a 400-degree Primaloft insulation, which helps your feet stay warm and comfortable. With a combination of nubuck leather and abrasion-resistant material, the upper part of the boot will deliver you the most ruggedness and durability. Now when it comes to soles, these boots feature a specially formulated LXG outsole, which gives you a perfect grip for any terrain in collaboration with an Infinitrack lug pattern. So, those were the key features of the LaCrosse Atlas hunting boot. And if you're searching for a pair of boots with comfort and stability, then the LaCrosse Atlas can be your prime choice. A hunting knife is probably the most important gear when it comes to hunting. The Benchmade Hidden Canyon is a premium hunting knife with a compact profile that's able to convert your big game into small pieces. This hunting knife comes with 0.12-inch thick and 2.79 inches long CPM S90V steel when it comes to its blade material. It's a drop point style blade with a 59 to 61 HRC hardness rating. Then comes the performance of the knife. Thanks to its blade material, this hunting knife offers extreme edge retention and high corrosion resistance. The blade also features a select edge 14 degrees angle to provide an effortless cut. Its G10 rich light handling will deliver a perfect grip while holding it. Yet, the knife weighs around 3 ounces, allowing you to carry it with ease. Overall, the Benchmade 150/17x1 Hidden Canyon becomes the go-to choice for your next hunting trip with all these premium blade materials, compactness, and durability. So, that was a list of the top 10 best hunting gear on Amazon. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.